Hello everybody and welcome to episode 2 of The Cooking Show. Yeah, Thomas and James were going to do this, but after finding out what video it was, they immediately backed down. Considering the events of, last time. So today, it's just me. And we're going to be making some beef casserole. So this is what you're going to need for beef casserole. So you're going to need hot dogs. Why would you need hot dogs for beef casserole? Oil. Why would we need that? What? Yorkshire tea. Okay. Who the hell keeps putting all this stuff here?
Beans! Spaghetti lumps! What are we making today? Those! Welcome to Snorlax's Cooking Show! Today we're gonna make... Doggy, I would like you to make us... No!
You know what? I quit. Ugh, come on, I know I'm the only one who's here, but come on, they could at least help out with... You know what? I'm done. Guys, you know what? Just take the video. I'm out.
Welcome to Snorlax's Cooking Show! Today we're gonna be making some hot dogs! Some hot, deadly dogs! The beef casserole? Fuck the beef casserole. We're making some hot dogs today! So, make sure you put them in the pan! Shit, I forgot to take them out of the can! Luckily, I got one prepared! Right here! Put them in the pan! Shit, I forgot to take them out the pan! Welcome back to Snorlax's Cooking Show. My ass smells like beef. Anyways, as you can see, the pan is on. So we put it on. We start very gently. Very gently as to not burn them. Smells like our granddad dick. Not only that, that's a hot dog. Very delicious. While we wait for them to cook, onto the buns. And your mum has brilliant buns. What? Anyways. You have to put it under the... Oh. Okay. How do we count how many hot dogs there are? Hi guys, welcome to Dora the f***ing Explorer. We're exploring your mum's ass. 8 plus 8. 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's only 24. Wait, 12. Shit. That's enough. Anyways, choose a big knife. Choose an absolute massive knife. Wrong knife. Absolute massive knife. Wrong knife. Big knife. And you'll take it in. And you'll cut in the bun. And you'll cut in the bun. And you'll cut in the bun. And you cut on the bun. And you cut on the bun. And you'll cut on the bun. You get the point. And there you go. Hot dog buns. Gotta make sure these don't burn. Stay away from fire, kids. They seem pretty darn halfway cooked. But I put a good piano music back up. But I sound like Chopin. Anyways, checking the hot dogs. Still look like old granny dick. Where's the grandpa? Oh no, they probably switched genders. Get on this. We got it! What?
Aren't you just going to pick that off the floor?
Boom! Anyways, I'm cooled off. We'll come back to when it's cooled off. Oh, what's up, guys? So, while we wait for the epic hot dog to cool down, we got ourselves a sponsor. We got this gay drink called, Creamy. So, you know, as we like to do in the show, we're gonna do a taste test. Because, you know, it's what the cool kids are doing. Maybe that was the faulty one. Let me try another one. You know what that shit tastes like? Dial the Icer! Welcome to the show! I've got, guess what? Piece of shit!
This video's not sponsored!
So, welcome back, dudes, and wait, I didn't post accident anymore. Get the f*** off me, you piece of shit! Welcome back to Snorlax's cooking show. So, if you come over here, they are cooking nicely. Now, if we head over here, as you can see, we've got some hot dog bits. Time to try one. You know what it tastes like? Undercooked hot dog. That's got the judge to try. That's got the judges to try. Come on. One for you. One for you. One for you. And one for you, the official judge. Thoughts? Very important. Zoom in on them. Thoughts on it? It's a walk of approval. It's pretty good. Anyways, none of you got your bits. You know what I think it's time for? Best part of the show! Best part of the show! The part where we chuck it all in the fridge. Welcome to the fridge. That's enough time in the fridge.
You know what? I quit. Yeah,
this
me
way.
too. I can't believe this was my video introduction. What's the sugar?
Ready? Best bit of the entire show. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the big juicy hot dog mamas. Big juicy hot dog mamas. Yum, 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 yum. It's f***ing empty. Join me! Here's the hot dogs. And you know what they do? Wiggle, wiggle. Wow, 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 wow. I got hold together. Flip them. Why the f*** got plastic on it then? Who nutted in my spaghetti? Pretty decent. How's the dog doing? What's the dog doing? Anyways, back to what we were putting. We got the best ingredient. Tomato ketchup. Sponsored by Asda. We don't have a f***ing sponsor. Shut up, green tits. Anyways, time to... I think it's time to bring the hot dogs over to the table. You put this over here. We got a hot dog. Put it in the bun. I like I put my dick in your mom's bun. Ah! Not like that, silly. You put it in the bun. There you go, you got it. Now put the rest of them in.
How can a man be this shit at doing a fucking hot dog?
What the fuck did I tell you not to do? You know what, I'll do it myself. You know what? What the fuck am I gonna... Spread your cheeks!
He is so shit at this.
It's time lapse. I just oh, buddy, my fucking fingers. Oh, fuck, shit, fuck. Refreshing. Touch on. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Insane.
You know what, guys? Do you mind if I join you in the quit area?
He's insane. He's insane. He just hit the truck shot of the century. Anyways, what I think it's time for? Refreshing. Those are the dogs for, these are the hot dogs for the judges. And these are the hot dogs for me, because I'm a fuck. You get 2 big plates, 2 fuck. Put them on. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ding! Bonk. Bonk, 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 bonk. 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 Skadoosh. And that, right there, is a plate of hot dogs. Next one. Skadoosh. Skadoosh. You got 2 ways of displaying these. There you go. So I'm gonna display this one slightly differently. Makes it look fucking buzzing. So, the holy circle of hot dogness. Sup, doggy? The leaning tower of dog. Anyways, back to what we were doing. Final ingredients, very important. Very thin lines when you do it. Very important. Good aim. Good aim. Good aim. Oh shit. Good aim. Good aim. Good aim. Good aim. Good aim. Bad aim. Good aim. Good aim. Well, shit. And for the dressing on top, fucking buzzing. So, back over to here. Very important. Where the fuck? Illuminati confirmed. So, we got 2. Why the judges? I aim to cook my master chef.
They should have left.
Great. Skadoosh. Good. No! And the best one of all. This is the judge. The other one's unofficial. This is the official one. Come down, sit down there. So, buddy. Very important. Let's watch. What do with it? What do you think? What do you think? Huh? I'll help you out. Another piece. That's a 2 out of 5. Another piece. That's a 3 out of 5. Doggy! More pieces. Three out of 5, he ate it. Doggy? Bang. Bang. Does he want the pace? Look at the doggy. Does he want the pace? That's a 4 out of 5. And if you'll excuse me. Story! Derek! Dinklebottom! Doggy! Lois! Stools! Derek's! That's a 5 out of 5! We win! I won the cooking show. Now, well, time to sit down and enjoy the meal. Refreshing. So, that is the end of Snorlax's cooking show. I hope you guys enjoyed. And hopefully, you look forward to part 3.
Ugh, finally, the best part is over. What's that? The show's ending. What a boy!